Because of the pandemic spread of the virus, we ran out of stock in face masks. That's why we need to find ways to have face masks to protect ourselves, our family, and friends. So I would like to share the fastest and easiest way to make it. In this tutorial, we need rubber band and handkerchief. So here's how we do it in 40 seconds or less. This is how we do it with explanation. So if you have a handkerchief look like this, you can fold it like this. Then put your rubber band in each side. Then fold the right and left side of the handkerchief. Then you're done. That's how easy is that. But wearing face masks alone is not enough to protect us from the virus. We need also to wash our hands up to the elbow regularly and take all the necessary precautions to avoid the virus. Share this video to all your friends and family to save more lives. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.